Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we'll show you how to create a beautiful purple mourning ribbon with personalized text using white heat transfer vinyl, or HDV for short. First, let's look at what you'll need. A piece of purple ribbon made from a suitable material for HDV. White HDV. Your Cricut cutting machine. A mini heat press or iron. A weeding tool. Start by designing your text in the Cricut software. Make sure the text is the correct size for your ribbon. This is very important. Always mirror your design before cutting. After the Cricut is done cutting, unload the mat and remove the excess vinyl. Use your weeding tool to carefully remove the parts of the text that shouldn't be on the ribbon. In the end, you'll only have the text left on the clear carrier sheet. Cut your ribbon in the right size. Now we're going to press the HDV onto the ribbon. Turn on your mini heat press to the recommended temperature for HDV. Place the purple ribbon on a heat-resistant surface. Position the text exactly where you want it. I use butcher paper on top of the HDV. Press the mini heat press firmly onto the text. Since you're using a mini press, you might need to work in small sections. Press each section for about 10 to 15 seconds with even pressure. Allow the vinyl to cool for a few seconds. White HDV is usually cold peel, which means you only remove the plastic carrier sheet once it has cooled down. Slowly and carefully peel off the carrier sheet. If a piece of the vinyl hasn't adhered properly, press it down again with your press. And just like that, your personalized mourning ribbon is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more crafting ideas. Thanks for watching.